and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would do a little hang around with me today, so I'm just going to show you a day in my life. I'm going to start out with doing my makeup, a little get ready with me. Basically the same steps that I used in my everyday makeup routine, but I have a couple new products that I want to try. I want you guys to comment down below some video ideas that you want to see from me. I have so many ideas, but when I try to execute them, it just doesn't work. The reason I picked today is because I'm usually super busy, but today I have nothing planned, so we can literally do whatever. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get face-wise. So I'm gonna move on to this cream contour. I used it in my last get ready with me type video. Today I'm doing hair, makeup, outfit, all that. I'm really happy because I just posted like 2 videos and I gained like 10 subscribers, so I really hope y'all stay around and see what happens, because YouTube is actually so much fun. Like, I love just sitting down and filming. Now I'm trying out a new... Okay, I always have trouble with this for some reason. Great! Now I'm trying out this new Milk makeup. It's like a cream blush and lip tint. I mean, at least you know it hasn't been used, because it freaking won't open. Oh my gosh. That was aggressive packaging, I have to say. I'm using this in the color Rally. I'm just applying it on my cheeks. And we're gonna see how we like it. This looks so natural and pretty. I love it. Oh, highlight. But first, I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I know everyone uses it, but today is my first day having one. The one I got was for oily skin types, so hopefully it works well. Now we just have to pour it back in there. This is quite complicated. Please ignore my horrible hair. Now we're going in with eyebrows. I'm using this Anastasia thing again because it's just way faster, and I'm going for a more like quick, convenient look. Use the Modern Renaissance palette. Yeah. And I'm gonna go in with some like orangey stuff. I'm using the color Burnt Orange. Yeah. Sorry if I look different. I had to change my seating position because it was hurting my body trying to sit like that. I'm in a very tight space here. Okay, next, curling the eyelashes. Always gotta do that step. Mascara, highlighter, and I'm just going in with a powder highlight today because I already powdered my face, so you shouldn't put cream over powder. That's what I've read. Last step, I'm pretty sure this is the last step of the makeup. I'm taking this Lip Stories in the color so it's called Oui. I figured it out. Like French, yes. I was gonna say made in Italy, but then I was like, that would be really stupid. Alright, and I love this color because it's like my exact lip color. Alright, now let's head to our new location to do my hair.